We're now going to raise a product to a power. This is like distributing. In fact, it's very similar, but there's a couple of things to keep in mind. Notice that we have a times b in parentheses raised to the nth power. If this is the case, then we distribute the n through and get a to the n times b to the n. Now notice this only works because this is multiplication and we're distributing a power. Remember our order of operations? We only distribute when the levels are that close to each other. So, let's look at some examples. Suppose that we have 3x quantity squared. Well, this is equal to 3 squared times x squared, which is 9x squared. We also have 2xy to the third. Well, now we have multiple things on the inside. Each one gets its own copy of the cube power, which gives 8x cubed y cubed. Now, this comes with a warning, and I mentioned this already, but notice that if I have x plus 2 quantity squared, I really want to stress that because this is addition, you can't distribute. You can't write this. This is not equal to x squared plus 2 squared. If you do this, you will miss the problem. We'll deal with this type of problem much later in the semester. But for now, just know that you can't do the product to a power rule if it's not a product but it's a sum.